Okay, morning guys. I'm just up here at the grain site, grain store behind us. We're putting that new concrete pad down. I've come up with the dump truck and the digger again. Just clearing the site basically, getting rid of, this is Dave's loading up riddled out spoil basically. I mean there's loads of stone that you can hear it's sort of clinking into the dump truck, and if we had a smoother or a grade, like a sieve or some kind of trommel, we could probably extract a lot of that stone. Unfortunately we haven't got that. We've only got a riddle bucket which takes out the big lumps and bricks and what have you, so it's still needs to be riddled through. But we're going to get rid of this, and then we're just going to come around here and start levelling out this site. So unfortunately my theodolite broke, but I've got my mate's theodolite, so we're going to come and level out this site between the sheds. Probably going to have to take down that fence over there and really scrape it right back to clean concrete. I've got to go and get a cutter to cut along there and cut the concrete off, so we've got a nice firm base to attach to that we can then put rods into the concrete, so when the new concrete's poured there's a continuity between the two. Okay, great, lots to do. Okay, so we're just levelling out. Ray's got the staff there. I'll reach it up with the mini digger, just doing the bits close to the shed there. You can see in there, we just scraping back a bit. So we found a few electric lines, so we've got to be careful. So yeah. Anyway, the pad is starting to take shape now. Gently does it. Okay guys, so we're just here. Last night we started to, well, basically what happened is we discovered an electric line which just comes out of this building here. They hadn't really put it in very deep, which is often the way, so we dug a trench, and as we were digging this trench we started to cut across all the downpipe lines from the shed over here, concrete area. So we've cut through that. I don't know whether you can see guys, but there's a fair amount of water there in the bottom, so I've just got some pipe up. I'll have to get some pea gravel. We'll sweep away all this muck that's down the side, and that little bit of muck over there, that pile on the other side, and then we can put the pipe in, put pea gravel, stroke drainage gravel on top, compact it back down again, and we'll then run this pipe out around the side of this building, because there's another collection point on the other side, so we'll have to have a little trench that comes down the side of this shed, and yeah, we can do that. But we're going across here just uncovering on our pad loads and loads of pipes and holes where there's been soakaways. I'll just show you one here, so you can see, yeah, just down there. Here it is. So yeah, it's all down there, and we started to realise that yeah, we're going to have to drain the whole area, otherwise we're going to get lots of soggy patches where these holes like this one down here are just going to fill with water, and it's just going to be no good. There is a drainage catchment pit over on the other side there, so we're going to drag this pipe in time where the bucket is and that pile of earth. To move that out of the way, take it to the catchment pit, and then it goes off to the ditch over on the hedge line there. So yeah, jobs are never easy. You always come up with lots of unexpected things, and we've also got to today cut that concrete off because it slightly slopes down, and we don't want to have a slope onto this pad. We want it all at one level, so when we're taking the grain through into the dryer, there's no chance to sort of bump the bucket and spill the grain out, because it's always a bit of a pain to have to start brushing. No one likes that. cut through this. It's gone about as deep as we can. It's actually a fair bit deeper. We got the bucket of the digger under the corner here, and it just lifted up back in here, the whole slab, so it's not breaking where we wanted it to. So tomorrow morning we'll have to get a breaker on it for the digger and just break this off in pieces. So yeah, we'll see how we go tomorrow. Okay, so we got the digger tooth into the crack that was in the concrete there, and yeah, we just pulled it out. You can see very clearly where the cut mark is, and then we scraped out some of the bit underneath. It's a bit tacky down there, bit of clay. I mean, it's a funny old site. There's a lot of water here. We haven't had water for months, but suddenly you dig down and it's all there. And I'll just show you the slab that we pulled out. It's in this pile here. Dave's just off to go and get some stone. Yeah, he pulled up that big chunk there. You can see the edge all came out. So yeah, this is good track material, roads. Quite nice if we get a small tractor crusher. That would make lovely MOT out of that. Anyway, there we are. We'll start getting some stone into this base. Use the dump truck to bring in. We want about 10 loads, 8-10 loads, which will give us 200 mil, and then I'll get some MOT on top, the final 100 mil, and we'll need to put some bars in along there to connect the two bits of concrete, and then we'll roll it all in tight and wait for the concreter boys to come. Okay guys, we're just down here at the shed base. Barry and Richard have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got 12 to do in total. So we're coming on to the last ones now. All right? All okay?
Hi! Don't film this in case you'll fall in.
I don't think you'll fall in. I think you've done it too many times, Barry.
Sorry?
I think you've done it too many times to fall in.
Richard nearly went in one.
Oh really? Gosh.
Corner.
We might not get him out.
He went in up to right there.
Cripes.
He slid down, well, there.
Needs a bit more in it. Needs a few inches in, eh?
Sorry?
Needs a few inches in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed.
Okay, we're up. Yeah, just Dave's on the dumper, bringing in the loads. This is 6 load coming in now. He's got 2 more after this, so he's getting on all right. We'll then come back up with the digger and knock this all about, bed out to the 200 mil down below. I won't disturb him, he's on a mission. Okay guys, so we got all the holes done down here. We get a wave from the lads. Oh, he's ignoring me. Oh, there he is. He gives me a little wave, cheeky wave. We'll let those go off, and then next week the lads will start putting up a seal on each of these bases. So really exciting, that's great. Okay guys, so we're just up at the site at the barns there. They've started levelling out all the limestone. We'll do have a go at that tomorrow. We'll bring the laser level up with Ray, and we'll then just test the whole base. Monday we can get the roller in, roll that in solid, seal it all up, and then I'll get some MOT 6F2 on top, another 100 mil of that, so we've got 300 mil base, and then we will get 200 mil of concrete on top, connecting in with that level over there, so we can pour the corn and wheat here and then just roll it straight into the dryer bin there without spilling any, hopefully. And yeah, we'll have a nice pad which is away from the road, which is on the other side there, which is starting to get really busy now, so be nice and safe, and you know, and just easy to work from. Basically, we can even load up lorries from the side and what have you. So yeah, hopefully that'll be a good job. Okay, thanks so much. Cheers guys. Okay guys, we're just at the small shed pad. The lad's already putting up the steel.
I see you've got the riddle bucket on. You might do some topsoil for my church job.
Yeah, we'll get some topsoil for the church out of that pile over there. So yeah, there we go.
I don't want them picking out stones.
No.
If you're riddling something,
Yeah. You want it in a trailer?
no, I think we'll take that by bucket because we can get it over the wall.
Okay.
Just dump it on the ground.
Well, there's plenty of nice soil,
Yeah, it's nice soil.
to get on with. So yeah, there we are. Okay, so hopefully next week we can get on with erecting the shed. Okay guys, so we've levelled out all that stone that we brought up, 200 mil here, and the guys have laser levelled it. It needs to be rolled in, so we'll get roller here on Monday and start working on that, and then we'll put another 100 mil of MOT on top and roll that, and then it will be all tight and sealed, ready for the concrete.
There was some concrete here, wasn't there? You can see how they did a job there.
Yeah, it looks like concrete had been laid on concrete.
Yeah, that was Dougie laid it on top.
Yeah.
A little bit left over and push it down.
I'm not quite sure which one we'll put the bars into. Maybe that top layer will need the bars so that it...
It's got cracked there, but there we are.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's right. It did seem to get cracked there.
That guy was talking about a sort of strip of 1 metre wide, wasn't he?
Yeah,
Worked to.
that's right. Maybe that you want to take all this down here, so you've got a real wide space, I don't know, to get in and cut out that pole there.
Yeah, we still need the security.
You need the security, okay.
I think that particular lump will have to come out already.
That bit?
It's just loose already, I think.
Yeah, maybe.
No, that's good. Good. Very good. Very good. That'll be great, won't it?
Yeah, I think that'll be a nice job.
Good. Carry on then.
Carry on, the man from Dalmonte says yes.
Yeah, absolutely. What's happening here now? You've got a hole in the ground.
Yeah, that's just to take all the water away. We're cutting through lots of pipes, down pipes, and sinkholes and what have you. So we just collected them all up into a pipe there, and we'll take it round the corner.
To where?
Round over there. There's a manhole cover with pipes and everything, and then it goes into the ditch, I think.
I'm not surprised it hasn't gone that way. Actually, there's another pipe. Yeah.
Yeah.
Several pipes, aren't there?
Funny, isn't it? Okay, guys. So Yeah. So there we are, guys. That's our week work's done on putting out pads.